Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back sa channel natin. Topi Manalo here. And today I'll be sharing with you or discussing with you two of not so good experience, or how should I say it? Mga cons na napapansin ko dito sa Wigo natin while I'm driving it. Well, actually, it's just nitpicking. Nitpicking lang to on my end. But I'm starting to feel and notice it, and I just wanted to share with you. Number one, I think we all know that the multimedia player of the Wigo is it's okay na. It's good. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and that's a good addition. Maganda naman yung tunog niya, considering this is a small cabin. Pero the only thing that I notice about it is the satin finish nung screen niya. I just feel like hindi siya ganun kaganda eh. For me kasi, it's a personal preference, guys. Personal preference na sa akin lang to. Maarte lang ang tito nyo. Pero I don't like yung satin na medyo parang soft feel. Kaya naman, I purchased this kay Shopee. This is actually a tempered glass. It's a tempered glass that we will be installing now. This is a tempered glass that I'll be installing para medyo mas matigas yung hawak compared dun sa malambot na screen niya. Also, it will protect the screen for mga smudges, fingerprints, and all. And it's easy to clean. Versus dito, medyo natatakot akong punasan kasi baka ma-damage eh. And then, I mentioned dalawa. The second one is the steering wheel. Steering wheel, guys. This Wigo, the one that we have, is a top-of-the-line unit. So this is the G variant, and it has all the bells and whistles. But unfortunately, the steering wheel is still rubber, plastic, whatever I'm not sure what material is this, pero the standard steering wheel. And again, nitpicking lang, guys. Nitpicking. What do you expect from an economy car, an entry-level economy car? Good thing there is an available. This is a universal leather wrap. Look at that. So it smells like authentic leather. I think it's authentic leather. See that material? So yan. Ipapasok natin to, and it comes with a stitching kit. Yan. Para itatahi natin. It will probably take roughly about half an hour. I can't remember kasi doon sa photo natin ngayon ang ginawa ko. But I'll show you how to do it, and makikita nyo maganda yung kalalabasan. Surely you can say na, bakit hindi ka na lang bumili ng something like this? Diba? Something like this na susut mo na lang, wala ka ng problema. Well, one thing I don't like about this is itong opening na to. Eventually, pagtagal, out of shape yan. Ayan, gaya nito. Out of shape na nagsisiksikan yung dumi rito. So, pag nagsiksikan sila, it will accumulate, and hindi na siya maganda, right? Kaya ayoko nung ganito. Also, sometimes gumagalaw kaya I don't like it. So this one, actually hindi ko naman to binili, kasama to doon sa package na binili ko second hand na floor mat. It comes with this shifter cover, and with this a visor tissue holder, and with this it's I think it's a center console cover. I don't know, I'm planning to give this away. So if you're interested with this, Write down in the comment section. Tell me why you should be getting this, and whoever gets or whoever comments the best, whoever catches my attention, bibigay ko sa inyo yung package na yun, all for free. Just let me know where to send it. Right? So simulan na natin. Kakabit ko muna yung screen, and then I'll show you how to stitch yung sa steering wheel. So, first and foremost, tanggalin muna natin syempre yung positive connection ng ating battery, dahil we don't want it to, interfere, dahil hawak natin yung manibela, baka biglang mag-trigger yung airbag or yung horn, and we don't want that. Kaya we need to use pala this. This is a 10mm socket wrench or open wrench or whatever wrench you have. Ayan, wala na tayong positive. Tanggal na, make sure nakalayo para hindi didikit. So the reason why tinanggal natin yung batteries, one, syempre aksidente, napipindot natin to and ayaw natin magkukos ng ingay. Second, yung airbag, syempre ginagalaw-galaw natin, baka biglang for some weird reason mag-engage, bumukas yung airbag nyo, ayaw natin nun. And third, and this is just a personal preference, gusto ko kasing tanggalin tong part na to, para yung nakarap ng maganda rito yung leather natin at nakaangat pa rin yung side garnish na yan or yung inner garnish na yan. Yan naman ay optional na lang, nasa sa akin na lang. So ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano tatanggalin tong horn para maiangat natin itong garnish na to. Alright? So using this, guys, susundutin nyo yung hole dito sa gilid. Makikita nyo. Yan, yung hole na yan. Susundutin nyo siya using a screw driver. And kapay nyo lang. Kasi meron yung parang spring type na itutulak nyo pataas. Ayun. Kita nyo? Umangat na tong natin. Itong horn natin. And also for the other side, ganun din. Hanapin nyo yung tutulak sa kanya. Natanggal na natin. Ayan. Lumuwag na siya. Pero I don't need to totally remove it. Kailangan ko lang siyang luwagan para itong part na to maiangat ko. So paano ko to inangat? I used this. It's a tool na plastic na susungkitin nyo itong gilid rito para maiangat yan. Steering. Yan. So ngayong naiangat na siya, I can insert this part here, no? Na nakalabas pa rin tong garnish natin. matatago sa ilalim yung yung leather wrap. Okay, so time check tayo guys. It's 6:20 ng gabi. Medyo madilim na. And I have to say, it's not advisable to, ayan, tignan, nagda-darken, nakakap na ako sa ilaw. It's not advisable to continue with the video. However, kailangan kong tapusin to. Itutuloy ko na yung pag-stitch. And tomorrow, I'll show you the finished product. Ang gagawin lang natin basta sa gilid, explain ko na lang bukas pag natapos ko, insert lang naman natin yung gilid na na leather cover para lang hindi siya matakban or hindi mag-overlap doon sa side controls natin. So tomorrow makikita nyo guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Alright? Pero for now, cut muna tayo sa video para matapos gawin kaagad. Okay?
The next day.
Okay guys, so let me share with you the output nung ating ginawa kagabi. Sorry dahil hindi ko na na-video, ang hirap mag-video sa madilim eh. Pero this is the outcome guys. Yan, kita nyo. Ito maganda, lapat na lapat. Iba talaga pagka inangat natin yung mga, yan yung garnish, kita nyo. Parang talagang part siya, no? Yan, eh. Now, on this part, hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo, pero ito, inangat ko lang to using yung ating orange na tool, yung pangsungkit ko. Tapos sinot ko lang ng sinot na ganyan yung mga, itong excess leather na to, itong excess leather part. Same goes dito sa kabila. May mga flaws, syempre, dahil di naman tayo professional, gaya nito. Yan, medyo nakaangat. Medyo nahirapan ako. Tapos dito mapapansin nyo yan yung kulubot, unlike dito medyo mas maganda, mas smooth. Pero again, overall hindi naman siya ganun kahalata eh. Ito yan, nakita nyo yan, kamali ako dyan eh, hinatak ko to tapos tinusok ko yung needle Tip pala guys, huwag nyong itutusok yung needle dito kasi although matibay naman yung leather, pag tinusok nyo, there's a tendency na mapunit talaga yan. Kaya ang tahi nyo lang talaga is dito sa may outer stitch. Diyan lang kayo papasok ng pagtahi at paghatak. Yan, tapos dito sa part na to medyo nahirapan talaga ako kasi ang hirap yung lock dito, may lock kasi yun dito. Ang hirap isuot. The moment na umangat na binuksan nyo to, medyo napupunta rito sa upper part eh. So merong medyo paghatakan dito nyo rito. Pag anong pababa, para lang ma-shoot ko dun sa lock nya dito sa handle. Pero yun, basta ingatan nyo lang na hindi mababali, hindi madadamage yung eto. Siguro kaya medyo nahirapan ako kasi bago masyadong ingat na ingat eh. Pero again, overall, ang ganda ng kinalabasan guys. Diba, nagmukha na siyang premium eh. Premium quality na yung steering wheel natin. Mukha na siyang pang ano talaga, pang top of the line. Ika nga. Yan. So, sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. Hope you like it. Hit na lang ng thumbs up button natin. Kung meron po kayong questions or comment o kaya suggestion, sulat nyo lang dyan sa comment section and madalas binabasa ko yan at sinasagot ko lahat yan hanggat kaya ko sagutin. Also, kung bago po kayo dito sa channel natin, I would like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more updates. Again, maraming salamat mga ka-auto. Lumalaki po ang community natin, dumadami yung subscribers, kaya I really appreciate you guys, lahat po kayo. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa susunod po mga ka-auto, kita-kita tayo ha. Bye bye.